Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a BMW M3 GTR in Pixel Car Racer. First, head to the dealership and purchase the BMW M3, which is the base car for this iconic build. Make sure you have enough in-game cash, approximately 200,000 to 300,000 credits, to cover all the parts. Once acquired, proceed directly to your garage to begin the exciting transformation. This initial step is crucial for a successful recreation. Now let's focus on the visual transformation. The most critical step is installing the M3 GTR widebody kit, which instantly gives your car that unmistakable aggressive stance. Next, choose a paint color, typically silver, and apply the iconic blue and red racing stripes to replicate the legendary livery. Don't forget to select the correct headlights and taillights to ensure every detail mirrors the real-life counterpart. This makes your car truly stand out. With the look sorted, it's time to boost performance. For an authentic feel, swap in a powerful V8 or V10 engine, aiming for over 1,000 horsepower. Equip a high-tier turbocharger or supercharger to achieve incredible acceleration and top speeds. Additionally, upgrade the exhaust system, intake manifold, and engine control unit to fine-tune power delivery and maximize your car's potential on the track. These upgrades are essential for racing. Finally, let's refine your M3 GTR with crucial tuning and finishing touches. Choose lightweight racing wheels, ideally 15-inch or 16-inch, paired with high-grip tires for superior traction and cornering. Adjust the suspension to a lower, stiffer setting for better handling and an aggressive stance. Spend time fine-tuning your gear ratios to ensure your engine's power is efficiently transferred to the wheels, making your custom build truly unbeatable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.